Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. I'm here today to talk about playing real estate and how you can use real estate to work for you. The property that I'm on, as you can see, is quite gorgeous. You can see there behind me, absolutely beautiful. Yes, this is where I work. So all you people that are stuck in a cubicle, I feel so sorry for you. Anyway, the property that I'm working on was owned by a father, and he utilized the house on the property how he saw fit and did quite well for himself, and ended up paying it off and had a good run of it. It did well for him. However, he recently passed away, and his daughter inherited the property, and she is now looking at using the property a different way. She called me. I am a realtor, and so I gave her comparative market analysis and told her what the property would sell for, and then I told her also what my opinion was on what the property would rent for long term, and if she decided to use short-term rental, then you could do that well, because our area uses a lot of short-term rentals. But after talking about it for a while, she decided that she wanted to do a long-term rental. So she called me back, and we discussed doing some renovations. And so because we run Cardinal Custom Lawn Property Maintenance Solutions, which is a property maintenance company, management company, we were able to come out and give her a bid on doing some renovations. And so we're remodeling the basement and changing some of the stuff on the decks and redoing some things to make it safer for the long-term rental, kind of reduce her liability. Anyway, so we came out and talked about it and did the estimate, and we won the bid, and we are doing the renovation. Actually, if you look at me today, see if I can get a picture, all dirty and nasty. And I just stepped out for a second to make a video, because it hit me that this is a perfect example of playing real estate and how it can work for you. Long story short, the father did a really good job of using the real estate, and the daughter has done a good job of playing real estate her way, even though they're vastly different. They still work. It's the same property. Minor renovations. I mean, we're talking about, you know, $15,000 worth of renovations on a property that's probably worth $220,000. So there's not anything major that we're doing. It's just minor stuff and fixing things up and making it safe again. I've got some subs in here doing some electrical work, and we had somebody do some plumbing, and it just minor things that needed to be done. But long story short, she is playing the game and doing it her way, and it's working for her. She's found renters already. As soon as their lease is up, they're going to move in, and she's going to start making money immediately with this property. So this is just a perfect example of learning how to play real estate and use it to your advantage and do something with it. It doesn't have to be what everybody else does. You figure it out. You do it the way you want it. And if you need help, that's what people like us are for. Realtors should be experts. They should be able to give you their opinions on what it is, and those opinions should be founded in facts, not just opinion. And if you have a realtor that is just trying to do paperwork, and you don't have much of a realtor, you need somebody that is an expert in their field. So that's just my 2 cents worth for the realtors out there. But guys, do your research, figure out how you want to play with real estate, and then go do it. And if you need help, we're always here to help you. This is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. As I said, I'm a realtor, Marty Loveday and Associates at www.martyloveday.com. We also run Cardinal Custom Lawn Property Maintenance Solutions. That's cardinalcustomlawn.com. And we run the cabinownersmanual.com, which is the book, The Cabin Owner's Manual. Guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Learn how to play real estate, and have a good day.